Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to set the Nightlight or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's open the settings. Here let's find the display. Now we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the scene mode, and as you can see at the very top of it we've got the Nightlight. So let's tap on it, and in order to be able to customize it we have to turn it on now. So let's tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, and then it is the best mode to use. So right here we've got the intensity switcher, and by going to the left we can make it much cooler. Maybe it's not invisible, but it's not as intensive as it was, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer, almost orangish, let's say. Here we can schedule, of course, set the intensity just like you want to. Just pick the option which is most comfortable for you, and after tapping on the schedule you can pick none option, which means that you will have to turn it on, turn on the Nightlight manually, or you can turn it on custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So the difference is that when you will pick the turn it on from sunset to sunrise, then your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. So let me pick the custom time, and as you can see here you can pick the start time, just tap on it, and from the clock pick the time you want to use and the end time, something like that. And as you can see the screen immediately turns into this yellowish tones. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. So let me actually turn off this option. So basically this is the whole customization of it, and if you'd like to have much faster access to the Nightlight or eye comfort, just unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And as you can see right here we've got the Nightlight. Currently it is of course turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. You can turn it on basically the same, and if you for some reason you cannot find the Nightlight icon here, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon and you will be able to find it here. All you have to do is to simply tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first section to have much faster access to it. So actually that's all. This is how to use the eye comfort mode in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.